There was tension outside the Johannesburg High Court today as Mayor Dada Morero arrived to face a legal challenge from informal traders who were recently removed from the city's streets. Crowds of traders, supporters, and onlookers gathered early in the morning, chanting and waiting for answers. Today's headline is about Johannesburg Mayor Dada Morero appearing at the High Court, where illegal traders are challenging his decision to remove them from trading illegally. Hello, welcome back to the channel. This is a video and picture news about the case involving Johannesburg Mayor Dada Morero and the traders who have taken him to court over their removal. Be sure to watch till the end to see the sources and verify the news for yourself. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss important updates like this. It was a charged atmosphere in the city center this morning. Traders lined the pavement outside the court, holding signs that read "We want to work and stop targeting the poor." Many of them say they were unfairly removed from their trading spots, losing both their stock and income. The city of Johannesburg, under Mayor Dada Morero's leadership, has been conducting operations aimed at clearing illegal traders from the streets as part of what it calls efforts to restore order and safety. The traders, however, are not taking it lightly. Through their lawyers and support from civil rights groups, they filed an urgent court application to challenge the city's decision, arguing that it violates their right to earn a living. Some traders claim they have been trading in the same locations for years and that the city's sudden enforcement left them without any alternative spaces or support. The scene outside court was full of mixed emotions. Some traders sang and danced, demanding justice, while others stood quietly, visibly stressed and uncertain about their future. Police officers were stationed nearby to keep things calm and prevent any unrest. There was no violence reported, but the mood remained tense as people awaited the outcome of the hearing. Mayor Dada Morero entered the court surrounded by security and a few city officials. When asked for comment, he said that while the city respects the rights of all individuals, there are laws that must be followed to maintain order in Johannesburg. He added that unregulated trading blocks walkways, affects businesses that pay rent and taxes, and creates safety concerns. On the other side, representatives of the traders argue that the city is targeting vulnerable people instead of finding practical solutions. They say many of the traders were willing to comply with regulations if given proper guidance or legal trading spots, but claim the city has failed to engage with them constructively. Observers say this case highlights the long-standing tension between municipal law enforcement and informal traders in Johannesburg. Informal trading is a key source of income for thousands of people across the city, especially in areas with high unemployment. Yet the lack of coordination, regulation, and proper communication often leads to clashes between traders and city officials. Some Johannesburg residents watching from the sidelines shared mixed opinions. A few said the city is doing the right thing by enforcing bylaws and keeping order in public spaces. Others felt the city should prioritize dialogue over force, suggesting that removing traders only worsens poverty and unemployment. Legal experts following the case believe the court's decision could set an important precedent for how municipalities handle informal trading in the future. If the traders win, it could compel the city to adopt a more inclusive approach that recognizes street trading as part of the economy. If the city wins, it could pave the way for stricter enforcement of bylaws in busy trading areas. For now, the case continues to unfold, and the traders say they won't back down. Some of them told reporters that they simply want to work and support their families, not fight with the government. One trader said she had been selling fruit in the same spot for over a decade and that losing her stall has left her unable to send money home to her children. This situation touches on a deeper issue: how to balance city management with compassion for ordinary people trying to survive. Johannesburg has one of the largest informal economies in South Africa, and while regulation is necessary, many believe it should not come at the cost of people's livelihoods. As the hearing progressed, more people arrived outside the court to show solidarity with the traders. There were moments of calm as officials addressed the crowd, assuring them that no immediate removals would take place until the court gives a ruling. Still, tensions remained, with some shouting that they are tired of being treated like criminals for simply trying to survive. By late afternoon, the court had adjourned, with both sides expected to present further arguments in the coming days. Mayor Morero left the premises quietly, escorted by police as the crowd slowly dispersed. The traders say they are hopeful that the court will recognize their struggle and grant them permission to return to work legally. Many South Africans watching this situation unfold have drawn comparisons to similar cases in other parts of the country, where informal traders continue to face evictions. It's a reminder of how widespread and complex this issue is. Before we end, I'd love to hear your opinion. Do you think the city is right to remove unlicensed traders to keep order, or should it find a better way to support them? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and turn on notifications for more verified news updates from around South Africa. On a lighter note, one person outside the court joked that if all these traders joined forces to sell snacks and drinks during the court breaks, they'd probably make enough to pay a lawyer themselves. Sometimes, humor is the only way to get through a stressful day like this one. All images used in this video are for illustration purposes only. News sources for this report include SABC News, Times Live, and Daily Maverick.